Hello medics, welcome back to our channel. Watch this clip and see if you can identify the condition causing this specific type of cough. This type of cough is commonly seen in patients suffering from asthma.
Here are the key features. Deep breath before cough. The patient takes a deep breath before coughing. Multiple bouts. The cough typically occurs in 2 to 3 strong bouts. In asthma, inflammation and narrowing of the airways lead to this characteristic cough. The deep breath is an attempt to open the airways, followed by multiple strong cough to clear them.
Thanks for watching. For more medical related videos, don't forget to follow us.